Hey everybody, my name is Marc Adams and I'm here with my favorite guy, Will. And Will is our turning director. As you can tell, he's a little bit dirty here. But I want to talk about this special turning class we're going to do. And when you look at this turning, it might look like a typical wooden turning, but it's metal. And on May 16th to May the 20th, we're going to have Lynne Hull here to do a class on metal spinning. Will, can you tell us a little bit about what's involved with metal spinning?
Yeah, so with your wood turning tools, you'll create a form out of a hard species like hard maple, and then you'll actually produce your own tools that are pretty simple tools that'll actually push, pull, and leverage the material around your form. And you'll learn processes such as annealing metal as it work hardens, as well as how to silver solder pieces together.
And do patina work.
Patina your work, and Lynne Hull, especially as an instructor, is just a real dream to work with.
And here's the thing, no skill necessary. You don't have to be a turner because it's a whole different process. Hey, look, you can find out a lot more about this class as well as a lot of others at marcadams.com.
Thanks.